In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use focus stacking in Luminar NEO. Focus stacking is a powerful technique that blends multiple photos, each focused at a different distance, into one image that's sharp from front to back. It's ideal for macro subjects like flowers and insects, detail-heavy close-ups, and wide landscapes where you want crisp detail throughout. The best part is that Luminar NEO uses AI to align and merge these frames automatically, so the heavy lifting is taken care of for you. Before we begin, make sure you have a series of images shot at different focus points, moving from the closest part of your subject to the farthest. A tripod helps keep everything steady and consistent, making alignment more accurate. If you shot handheld, that's okay. Just know that alignment may require a small crop during the merge. Start by opening Luminar NEO and heading to the Extensions panel, the one with the puzzle piece icon. Focus stacking is an extension, so if you don't see it installed, use the panel to add it. You may be prompted to update the app or confirm your subscription to access it. Once it's installed, you're ready to go. Next, go to the catalog view and bring in your focus bracketed photos. Add the folder if it isn't already in your catalog and select the full sequence you want to stack. You can work with a small set, like 3 images, or a larger series of 10 or more if the scene requires it. Consistency helps. Try keeping your exposure and white balance the same across the set to avoid tonal jumps. Now open the focus stacking tool. You'll find it alongside other merge tools, such as HDR merge. Drag and drop your selected images into the focus stacking window to load the stack. Before you run the merge, click the settings icon. Turn on auto alignment to let Luminar adjust for small shifts between frames. Choose a reference image if you want to control which frame serves as the anchor for alignment. Enable chromatic aberration. Reduction to help minimize color fringing along high contrast edges, which can appear when stacking fine details. When you're ready, click Stack. The merge may take a few seconds or a few minutes depending on how many images you've selected and their file sizes. When it's finished, Luminar creates a new, fully stacked image and places it in a focus stacking folder in your catalog. Finally, switch to Edit mode to refine the result. Adjust exposure, contrast, color, and clarity to polish the image. Zoom in to 100% to confirm that the foreground and background are sharp and to check edges for any artifacts. With that, you've created a clean, fully in-focus photo using focus stacking in Luminar NEO.